We got a taxi from the station to Albrecht's fountain, which is behind me here, and this is where we're due to start our Guru Walks free walking tour around Vienna. It's going to last about 2.5 hours and is classed as the #1 best rated free walking tour around Vienna, so hopefully it lives up to its reputation. We'll see. We're due to meet our guide in about 20 minutes.
My full name is Alessandra, because I was born in Italy, once again. Obviously, I can go on for 6 hours, but I'm not going to torture you. Latest by 12:30, I'm going to send you off for lunch. Maybe we're a little bit quicker. Maybe, I was born in Italy, so sometimes I'm a little bit later. 30% is a big amount. It means that we have over 200,000 students. There is the capital of the United Nations here in Vienna. There are 23 districts in total. That is how the city is organized. Today we're going to explore district number 1. And just so you know, every district has its own vibe. So whoever you are and whoever you want to be, Vienna's fantastic because regardless where you are, you can be who you want. And if you want to find somebody or something that maybe fits into your daily mood, you just choose the perfect district for you. It is something truly unique. It is impossible to talk about everything in 2 hours. I'll still do my best. But look around you. Artist from Austria inaugurated this monument. The monument is separated into 4 parts. The very first part of the monument is behind you. You can see that there is a base made of granite stone and 2 parts on the upper side of this part of the monument, which is made of marble, white Carrara marble from Italy. This is called the Gate of Violence, and it is there to symbolize and remember all the victims that lost their life not only as in concentration camps persecuted by the Nazis, but also at the front, the soldiers that lost their lives regardless on which side. But it is impossible to speak about Vienna without talking about the imperial heritage of Vienna. There's a lot of people selling you like Imperial Vienna tours, everybody's saying Vienna imperial capital, but despite everything, we are a republic. Believe it or not. Vienna has been the capital of the Habsburg Empire, though the Habsburg was a very important imperial and royal family that have ruled not only over Vienna, but over the Holy Roman Empire for hundreds of years. During the Napoleonic invasion in the 1800s. That's why it was reconstructed in a very weird look. But now take a look at the columns of the church. And now look on the left. Can you see that there are more columns? The columns are a running theme here, a running gag almost on the square. These columns that you see, the marble green columns of the bank right now, they were inspired as they were built in 1909 by the columns that you see on the opposite side. Here in the Hero Square, I don't know if you can feel the history around you. I mean, from here you do have a panorama view over pretty much the democratic history of Austria. In front of you, the green building is where the President of the Republic works from. I've already mentioned this. It's the Parliament building, which is behind the trees. You cannot see it from here, I'm afraid. It's under reconstruction at the moment. It's covered in scaffolding. It looks like a Greek temple. It has been under reconstruction for 2 years since 2017. Not sure what's going on. And then you have that single tower over there. That single tower is actually one of 5. There are 5 beautiful neo-Gothic towers over there. That is the so-called Rathaus. The Rathaus is the city hall of Vienna, and that's where the mayor of Vienna works from. Coffee, a schnitzel, a meal, or a cake. Their cakes are absolutely fantastic. We are in front of one of the most important attractions in the entire country, and we are in the exact city center of town. The St. Stephen's Cathedral originated in the 1100s as a small Romanesque church, as a chapel. It was expanded in the 1200s, and then in the 1300s it was turned into a Gothic cathedral. Take a look at these walls. Surrounding the wall, you have gargoyles and monsters. They're all protecting our spirits. In the moment that we enter the church, the main entry gate is around the corner on this direction. You're going to enter from the west gate, going toward east, going towards the Holy Land. And as you do so, you're going to leave all the demons outside, and the gargoyles will fight for you. You don't have to worry. Truly hope that I was able to teach you something new and give you an overview over the city. I'm honored to go home. If you have any questions, please, I will be here for the next 10 minutes. I would like to say goodbye to each one of you and gather, hopefully, my appreciation, actually, your appreciation more than mine.